Hi, I am Abhijaya Patil, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy by downloading the Unacademy Learning app, where you can find my other courses as well. In this video, we will look at some questions on one-word substitution words beginning with the alphabet N. So please rate, review and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our Unacademy YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below. So our video is titled Quiz Test Your Knowledge, and you're watching this with me, Abhijaya Patil. This is a link to my Unacademy profile, so you can go to this link to watch my other courses, and you can also follow me on Unacademy by going to this link. If you like this video, then please do rate, review, recommend and share it. Now in this quiz, we will discuss questions on one-word substitution words beginning with N. So I'm hoping that by now you all have gone through part 1 and part 2 of the N category, and that will help you to answer all the questions. Another thing you can do is after the next slide and the slides after that, once you see the questions, you can pause the video, mark your answers and then come back to see that if you have marked the correct answers or not. So let's start our video. Let's look at the first question, which is the practice of favoring friends or relatives. Options are dynasty, succession, nepotism or all. So the answer for this question is C, nepotism, the practice of favoring friends or relatives, especially by giving them jobs or other benefits. Dynasty is a line of hereditary rulers of a country or of a place. And succession is the action or process of inheriting an office or title or property. So the answer for this question is C, nepotism. Next is the study or collection of coins. Options are mint, numismatics, numerology, or both A and B. So the answer for this question is B, numismatics, the study or collection of coins, paper notes, medals and other related objects. Mint is a place where the coins of a country are made by the government's authority. And numerology is the branch of knowledge that deals with the mystical significance of numbers. So the answer for this question is B, numismatics. Next is an existing word used in a different way. Options are blending, clipping, nautical or neology. So this is also quite an easy question. The answer for this question is D, neology, an existing word used in a different way. Blending and clipping both are different ways of word formation, and nautical is something related to navigation, sailors or the sea. So the answer for this question is D, neology. Let's look at the next question. A bird that is active or hunts at night. Options are nocturnal, predator, nocturnal, prey or diurnal. So the answer for this question is B, nocturnal, a bird that is active or hunts at night. At night is the important part of this question. Predator is an animal that hunts on another animal. That is, if a tiger eats a deer, then the tiger is the predator and the prey will be the deer. And diurnal is something that is active, occurs or happens in the day. So that is diurnal. So nocturnal or diurnal are antonyms of each other. So the answer for this question is B, nocturnal, a bird that is active or hunts at night. Next is a person who is extremely wicked. Options are anonymous, notorious, nefarious or all. So the answer for this question is C, nefarious, a person who is extremely wicked. Anonymous is someone whose name is not known. So if a poem is written by an anonymous poet, that is, the poet's name is not known. And notorious is a person who has a very bad reputation. So the answer for this question is C, nefarious. Next is lacking worldly experience and understanding. Options are naive, unworldly, experienced or both A and B. So the answer for this question is D, both A and B. Naive and unworldly are synonyms of each other. They both mean lacking worldly experience and understanding. And experienced is a person who has experienced the ups and downs of life, and he's seen the good and bad sides of people. So a person who has a lot of experience will be experienced. So the answer for this question is both A and B, because naive and unworldly are synonyms of each other. Next is a beginner. Options are novice, expert, veteran, or professional. So the answer for this question is A, novice, a beginner, a person who has just begun an activity. Expert is a person who has a great command in the activity, who does well in that activity. Veteran is someone who is experienced in a particular field. And professional is a person who pursues an activity as a profession. So professional, expert, and veteran are people who have a lot of experience in a particular field, whereas a novice is a beginner. So answer is A, novice. Next is a longing for a period in the past. Options are nostalgia, wistful, misanthrope, or both A and B. So the answer for this question is both A and B. Nostalgia and wistful are synonyms of each other. They both mean a longing for a period in the past. Misanthrope is a general dislike of humankind and a person who doesn't like humankind and avoids society, tries to avoid society. So answer for this question is both A and B. And last question for this quiz. A single-minded expert in a particular technical field. Options are nerd, extrovert, introvert, or all. So the answer for this question is A, nerd, a single-minded expert in a particular technical field. Extrovert is a socializing person, that is, he is very confident and outgoing person rather. And introvert is a shy person, he takes time to socialize and make friends. So the answer for this question is A, nerd. So with this we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you all liked the quiz and thank you for taking it. If you all have any questions regarding the questions that we've discussed in the quiz, please mention those in the comment section. And if you all have any doubts, suggestions, feedback, please mention those too in the comment section. If you like this quiz, then please do not forget to rate, review, recommend, and share it, so that people will watch this quiz, take it, and they'll know where they stand when they have to attempt questions on one word substitution. So please rate, review, recommend, and share so that it can help them analyze themselves. So stay tuned for more. Bye.